A case involving the Marion County Health and Hospital Corporation went all the way to the Supreme Court, and the decision came back today.
Many experts were not expecting the ruling to be in the favor of the plaintiff, but the court did. News 8's Danielle Zulkowski is live for us from the Hospital Corporation of Marion County. So, Danielle, explain what you learned.
Well, nursing home patients' rights will be upheld with this ruling. The Supreme Court did rule on Health and Hospital Corporation of Marion County, Indiana v. Talevski today. Now, this case originally came about as a result of Georgie Talevski's family suing HHC, and that was because they say his federal constitutional rights were violated by the nursing home under the Nursing Home Reform Act.
Talevski lived in Valparaiso Care and Rehabilitation, a municipal facility owned by HHC. His family alleges he was chemically restrained and moved to a new facility, violating his rights. Because the facility received government funding, Talevski's wife Ivanka and daughter Susie could sue for federal violations of his civil rights under Section 1983. HHC argues this does not allow individuals to sue third-party facilities that receive government funding.
They actually asked for a reversal of about 55 years worth of civil rights precedent for all spending clause legislation. And I was pretty shocked by that. So they wanted to disenfranchise 100 million people who are beneficiaries or providers of social safety net programs.
The Supreme Court upheld the precedent that individuals can seek legal action against third-party providers in a 7-2 decision.
It would have been a catastrophe for the most vulnerable people in our society. Those who are disabled, those who are elderly, sick children, poor mothers.
Members of the Indianapolis City County Council encouraged the HHC board to withdraw the case from the Supreme Court.
Many of the cases with our board appointments that we don't try to micromanage the affairs of those boards. But in this particular case, the issue is so much larger than just what was happening in Indianapolis, what was just happening in Indiana, but could spread a widespread disaster across the country for civil rights.
Now that the Supreme Court case has been decided, the Talevskis can once again sue HHC for the original matter.
Susie Talevski is an attorney herself, and she says they do plan to pursue litigation in the original case. I'm Danielle Zulkowski for Wish TV, wishtv.com, and like us on Facebook.